How to use Claude for multi-agent AI design. Discover the skills to design efficient multi-agent AI systems using Claude, perfect for tackling complex problem-solving and automation challenges. Welcome to our exploration into the world of multi-agent AI design using Claude. Did you know that multi-agent systems can revolutionize how we approach complex problem-solving and automation? In this video, you'll learn to craft robust multi-agent architectures, leveraging Claude's capabilities. By the end, you'll understand how to design efficient AI systems ready to tackle real-world challenges. Let's dive in and unlock the power of multiple AI agents working in harmony.
Multi-agent AI architectures are essentially frameworks where multiple agents interact to solve problems collaboratively. These agents can range from simple bots to complex entities, each with specific roles and capabilities. Multi-agent systems are widely used in industries like logistics, finance, and healthcare due to their ability to handle distributed tasks efficiently. However, designing these systems comes with challenges like ensuring reliable communication and coordination between agents. In this section, we'll unpack the core components and discuss their applications to help you grasp the foundational concepts needed for effective AI design. Claude is a powerful tool designed to enhance AI development, particularly in multi-agent system design. It offers a suite of features that streamline the creation and management of AI agents, ensuring they work efficiently together. Claude excels in facilitating communication protocols, coordinating tasks, and optimizing performance across diverse AI systems. Its adaptability allows designers to tailor solutions specific to their needs, making it a versatile choice in various applications. In this block, we'll explore how Claude can elevate your AI design process and unlock new capabilities for your projects. Before diving into designing multi-agent systems, setting up the right environment with Claude is essential. Start by ensuring your development workspace meets the necessary requirements for Claude's installation. Once installed, configure the tool to align with your specific project needs. This involves setting up coding environments, libraries, and any additional tools required for agent design. Finally, conduct initial tests to confirm everything is functioning correctly. This preparation phase is crucial for a smooth design process, setting a solid foundation for creating and managing your AI agents effectively. Communication is the backbone of any successful multi-agent system. Designing robust communication protocols ensures agents can share information and collaborate effectively. Start by understanding the different types of protocols available, such as peer-to-peer or client-server models. Choose the one that best suits your system's requirements, focusing on security and reliability to prevent data breaches and ensure consistent performance. Once protocols are designed, test them thoroughly to identify any potential weaknesses or areas for improvement. This block will guide you through creating communication protocols that enhance your multi-agent AI system's efficiency. In multi-agent systems, effective collaboration is key to achieving complex objectives. Implementing strategies that promote cooperation and synergy among agents can significantly enhance system performance. Start by defining clear roles and responsibilities for each agent, ensuring tasks are distributed efficiently. Additionally, consider how agents will handle conflicting objectives, opting for strategies that promote negotiation and compromise. By fostering a culture of teamwork, you can optimize your system's effectiveness, ensuring agents work towards common goals while minimizing resource conflicts. This section will delve into various collaboration strategies and their implementation in multi-agent systems.
Testing and validation are critical steps in developing reliable multi-agent systems. Begin by identifying the types of tests that best suit your system's architecture, such as functional, performance, and stress testing. Use validation techniques to ensure your system meets the intended objectives and maintains stability under various conditions. Analyze test results to identify areas for improvement, iterating on design adjustments to enhance overall performance. This block covers the essentials of testing multi-agent systems, providing a framework to ensure your AI design is robust, reliable, and ready for deployment.
Optimizing performance is crucial for the success of any multi-agent system. Claude offers a range of tools designed to enhance system efficiency, from reducing latency to minimizing resource usage. Start by analyzing your system's current performance metrics, identifying bottlenecks that may hinder efficiency. Use Claude's optimization features to address these issues, balancing workloads among agents to prevent overloading. Additionally, implement continuous monitoring to ensure your system maintains optimal performance over time. This section will guide you through leveraging Claude's capabilities to create high-performing, efficient multi-agent systems.
To illustrate the potential of multi-agent systems, let's explore a case study showcasing a successful implementation. In this example, a logistics company transformed its operations by deploying a network of AI agents to manage inventory and optimize delivery routes. The result was a significant reduction in operational costs and improved customer satisfaction. Key challenges included ensuring reliable communication between agents and adapting to dynamic market conditions. However, by leveraging Claude's capabilities, the company overcame these obstacles, setting a benchmark for future applications. This block highlights the tangible benefits and insights gained from real-world multi-agent system deployments.
As we wrap up, let's recap the key takeaways from our journey into multi-agent AI design with Claude. We've explored the fundamentals of multi-agent architectures, learned to set up and optimize systems, and examined successful case studies. Remember, the world of AI is ever evolving, and continuous learning is essential. I encourage you to share your thoughts in the comments, share this video with peers, and explore additional resources to deepen your understanding. Thank you for joining us on this exciting exploration. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know what topics you'd like to see next.